Hey everybody, it's Mark again, and I'm going to show you something new. Maybe you know it, maybe you don't know about it. It's new to me, at least. If you are wanting to know how much an item costs, or history of an item, or anything possible about your item, there's a program out there called Google Lens. And this video is going to show you how to use Google Lens. And it doesn't have to be about a clock, anything that you want to know about an item, a car, or whatever. You can use this program. And what it does, you take a picture, and Google searches through their system to find items just like what you took a picture of. So kick back, relax, and let's learn things. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, leave me some comments, and give me a thumbs up. May God bless each and every one of you.